trucking man, driving all of Europe, moving house and home with a moving van. Trucking man, carrying all the heavy stuff, helping when you need a trucking man.
Hey, I'm Nate, well experienced personally moving over 1,000 homes across Europe, answering all questions, sorting logistics and scheduling, helping load to drive and help unload into the next house or storage, updating along the way. Jobs done right and on schedule, with happy clients.